everyone, so it's been a really long time since I've done a body painting look, so today I wanted to do that, and I'm going to be doing a pop art zombie look. I haven't done one of these in a super long time, and I don't know that I've ever done one on myself. I did do one on Sean a while ago, but my skills have definitely improved since then, so I wanted to try one on myself. But since it is February, I want to do a pop art zombie Valentine's Day edition. So I'm not going to talk a whole lot in this video because it's going to be a lot of me mapping stuff out, creating the holes and the rips and the tears and stuff, but also just a lot of painting. So I'm going to throw some cool music on for you guys and time lapse, and I'll probably pop in with some commentary here and there. But yeah, let's get started. So I'm still filling in my face, but I have to show you guys. This is the cutest freaking thing. Hold on, I gotta move my camera. It's a Willow. She is just chilling watching me film, and it's so cute. I love my kitty. said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.